welcome back. Jesus has miraculously provided a catch of fish and has cooked breakfast for his disciples. The setting is intimate and calm, but the conversation is about to become intensely personal. By a charcoal fire, eerily reminiscent of the one where Peter denied Jesus, the risen Lord now turns to his broken disciple to offer him a path to restoration. Jesus asks Peter a direct question. Simon, son of John, do you love me more than these? The question recalls Peter's earlier boast that he would never fall away, even if everyone else did. Jesus asks this question 3 times, giving Peter a chance to affirm his love for each time he had denied it. There's a subtle but significant detail in the original language. The first 2 times, Jesus uses the Greek word agape for love, a total unconditional love. Peter, humbled by his failure, responds each time with phileo, a word for brotherly affection or friendship. He no longer makes inflated claims. The 3rd time, Jesus graciously meets Peter where he is and uses Peter's own word, phileo, asking, "Do you love me as a friend?" Peter, grieved, appeals to Jesus' omniscience. Lord, you know everything. You know that I love you. With each affirmation of love, Jesus restores Peter to ministry, giving him a 3-fold commission. Feed my lambs, tend my sheep, feed my sheep. Failure was not the end of Peter's story. Jesus then prophesies that Peter too will stretch out his hands, a reference to his eventual death by crucifixion, and by it he would glorify God. Then Jesus gives him his lifelong command in 2 simple words: follow me. Peter, in a very human moment, immediately gets distracted. He turns, sees John, and asks Jesus, "Lord, what about this man?" Jesus' response is a crucial lesson for every believer. If it is my will that he remain until I come, what is that to you? You follow me. Our call is personal. We are not to get sidetracked by comparing our journey to anyone else's. John ends his entire gospel by identifying himself as the eyewitness who wrote these things. He concludes with a beautiful expression of the infinite greatness of Jesus, saying if everything he did were written down, I suppose that the world itself could not contain the books that would be written. The Gospel of John doesn't end with a grand ascension scene, but with this quiet, personal moment of restoration. It's a powerful picture of the gospel itself. Peter's failure was a public and profound, yet Jesus' grace was greater. He didn't condemn Peter for his weakness. He restored him and gave him a mission. It reminds us that our failures don't have to define us. Jesus meets us in our weakness, forgives our denials, and offers us the same simple, life-altering command he gave to Peter. Follow me.